This is what we decided on because we don't have water access at like 10 locations or so. Hola, bienvenidos. What's up, everybody? So today or yesterday, I got the runaround to get that Nulcagon turbo tank, the 2.0. That's the one that takes the extra, Milwaukee DeWalt batteries, 130 psi. It can also connect to their foam sprayer, the foam cannon, basically. And it has another attachment for like a 90 degree spray. So all those factored in, and then on top of that, it's a 4.5 gallon tank versus somebody mentioned another brand, the orange one. I think that one's only like 3 gallons. The Milwaukee is only two gallons on the smaller one. I think it might be 4 gallons on the bigger one, but not enough pressure. So a lot of factors went into buying the turbo tank. Today we're gonna use it. I'm gonna go open it. It sucks because it's super windy, so I'm gonna try and show just setting it up on the roof, getting the water. I'm gonna get some water from inside, fill it up. The cool thing is you can actually potentially, like, if you know you're gonna go and start your day, doing a maintenance, fill it up with water at your place or wherever you're at, the shop, load it up in the van, and then just get straight on the roof. You don't have to go inside and get water. So that's really cool if you know ahead of time. Usually these are scheduled, so I would know. And I don't know, it's crazy windy. So let me get down, let me get it open, and then let me fill it up, get on the roof, make sure I strap my ladder down today, and let's go. All right, so here it is. I haven't even opened it yet. Attachments that it comes with. All right, so filled it up with water. It is heavy, it is full of water, but I think this is going to be way easier to carry up on a roof. So this, as far as I know, doesn't come out. It's the water hose. You got your wall or battery switch, you got a fuse, and you can power it with DC voltage from the vehicle if you're trying to hook this up to your car adapter and then just run it, wash your car or something. Here's the battery compartment. So we got the charger. I got the battery from them. Like I said, it's a Milwaukee DeWalt battery. Should fit. Pretty simple battery that they give you. Want to say this is like a 45-minute run time. And we got 3 bars. I think we'll just use that for now. I'll show the battery later because I gotta just get up on the roof, get to work. Trigger lock, switch to battery. Okay, it's not bad. Let's see. So they give you a 15 and a 0, and then this is what I was intrigued about. I mean, I don't know if they sell this separate, but this goes into the foam cannons. If they're not comfortable, I don't know, I'll put a padding on it. Didn't realize that this comes off. You can actually just take off the blue part, that way you're not carrying the whole thing, but I don't know, I took it all at once. Put this back here. The no padding thing is kind of weird. Holy shit. Houston, we have a problem. This thing hit my back when I was trying to figure out how to carry it, and it snapped off. I don't know why. So I gotta go return that. Dude, what the fuck? Somebody else is out here, not us. And then the way the grills are, you're just asking for water. Old Faithful. So yeah, somebody put in a new compressor there, and they left the panel the other way. Ah, you gotta love it, right? So they have us doing the maintenance, like under an agreement, but every area has a different manager or area manager. So if they have a buddy that does AC or they feel like they need someone closer, that's why that happens. You know, there's another company that does service, we do the maintenance, and then we only service in our main area. You gotta love that too. Yeah, it has a new motor. But yeah, that's who they want. I just take pictures, submit it with my maintenance on the app that they have us do, and let them handle that. For this, because I can't test that today, it's just not enough pressure, but it works. Right, so kind of go through it like that. I got everything up with the panels. I just wanted to test it out real quick. 30 mile per hour, over 30 mile per hour wind. It's gusty. Thankfully, I have my lockjaw ladder grip. This time, I got it to work. I figured out I had the tension wrong, and nothing's falling over. I'm trying to get out of here. I'm kind of rushing through it because of the way the wind is, as you can tell. It just happened to be like that today. I don't think it was like this yesterday, but yesterday I was running around getting this damn thing and only to break it here. So unfortunately, I can't show it the rest of today, tomorrow, like I had planned to. I broke it before I even got to use it. So I have no idea. It did look pretty promising. It's just now you know a weak point on it. It literally, when I picked it up to go up the ladder, it just hit my hip, right? And then I felt water on my back pocket. So I thought the gun had triggered or something. So I put it down, and then I saw that it broke off. So I'm returning it. I'll see what Nulcagon says. I'll reach out to them, let them know what happened. And I guess, like I said, just keep in mind the weak point, and then probably just have to be extra careful with it if I get another one. All right, so take two. I guess I forgot the battery. Which one is the Milwaukee one? Oh, are you kidding me? All right, so this high output is like wider, so it runs into that one. But these other ones, the original, this is a 5.0, fits just fine. That wasn't anything I did. It just putting it on, I ended up breaking it. It brushed up against my hip or something, and then it just snapped. Or maybe I pulled the hose when I was trying to like adjust it on my shoulder, but it should not have broken. And if you heard me in that initial, when I took it out of the box and put water in it, I was like, oh, that hose, I don't think you can remove it. What I was actually thinking is like, I would rather be able to remove the hose and have the fitting not, you know, sticking out, because that is a weak point. If you're going to be moving it around or bumping up into things, like that's gonna break. So I want to give it another try. They're going to send out another one, like I said, hopefully, and I'll keep that in mind for next time. But I still want to see what it can do once you have it set up to like do it and run it, and then you be the judge of like, is it worth your $600 if you might break it, or you think it's you know, a little too fragile. So thanks, appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys.